Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. For the upcoming May MAT 2023 exams, we are going to provide you a 30 days preparation strategy on April 16th, Sunday at 7 o'clock. Firebird Institute of Research and Management is going to conduct a free online webinar all over India for the MAT aspirants. If you want to enroll for this webinar, kindly enroll to the link provided in the description box. All the best students. You can ask all your doubts regarding the May MAT 2023 during this webinar. So we have discussed so many questions based on previous September MAT, December MAT, as well as Feb MAT 2023. And in this video, we are going to give you an interesting mathematical skills pack, few important questions that was asked in the February MAT 2023. So watch this full video to completely know about the shortcuts and how to approach the questions. All the best students. Now, see here, this is a question based on time and work. 5A is 4 times faster than 5B. So, while reading the question itself, you should be able to solve because you need to attempt in total 160 questions in 2 hours 30 minutes. If I include global environment, general knowledge part, another 40 questions. In total, 200 questions you need to attend in 150 minutes. So, you cannot split like you can take 1 minute for one question because there are 200 questions, but the time allotted is 150 minutes only. Okay, so you should be very fast with your, while approaching the question, and also you should know all the possible shortcuts. Now, see here. 5A, let us take 5A and 5B. 5A is 4 times as faster than 5B. So here now they are talking about the speed. Okay, so if 5B is 1 and 5A speed will be 4. And take 75 minutes less than 5B to fill the tank. And you should know that the relationship between speed and time is inversely proportional. If speed is 4:1 and time will be 1:4. When the tank be full, if both pipes are when will the tank be full? If both the pipes are open together. And see here, the difference between the time taken is 75 minutes. See, let us assume if pipe A takes 25 minutes to fill the tank, 25 plus 75, the pipe B will take 100 minutes. So you got difference, right? So the pipe A efficiency is, it can fill the tank in 25 minutes and pipe B can fill the tank in 100 minutes. If I take the LCM for 25 and 100, 100 is the LCM. If 100 parts of the work, if I give to pipe A, it will complete the work in 25 minutes. Then in 1 minute, it will complete 100 by 25, that is 4 part of the work. And in case of pipe B, only 1 part of the work will be completed. If pipe A and pipe B works together in 1 minute, they may complete 5 parts of the work. In total, there are 100 parts of the work. So 100 by 5 will take 20 minutes to complete the work. If you know the basics, you can solve very easy. Now, let us move on to the next question. See, this is a question based on ratio. And you should be thorough with the ratio concepts because these kind of questions are very repeated. So, it may just get confused. A is to B, we should write in the form B is to C, C is to D. Okay, if I write it 2 is to 5, and then 5 is to 9, and then 3 is to 10. So, to find out the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D, first multiply 2 into 5 into 3 for A. What is 2 into 5 into 3 for A? 30. And for B, 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 3, 75. And then 5 into 9 into 3, 45 into 3, 135. 5 into 9, 45, 45 into 10, 450 is your answer. Okay, so divide the whole part by 15. You will get the value as 2 is to 5 is to 9 is to 40. Now they are asking the ratio between A is to B. 2 is to 30. 2 is to 30 is not there in answer, so reduce it because 2 and 30 both are divisible by 2, so 1 is to 15 is your answer. Do you all understand? Okay, now. Sine square 54 plus sine square. So this is a question based on trigonometry. So sine square 54 plus You can write sine squared 36 as sine square 90 minus 54. Because 90 minus 54, you'll get 36, right? So sine square 54. See, sine square 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So cos square 54. So sine square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. So 1 is your answer. It's very simple. Okay, so you should know the basics of trigonometry also while solving the question. And now, 5 liters of water gets evaporated when 20 liters of 12% sugar solution is boiled. So initially there are 20 liters. In that 12% is a sugar solution. So what is 12% of 20? 10% is 2, 1% is 0.2 and 2% is nothing but 0.4. So in total 12% will be equal to 2.4. Find the percentage of the sugar in the remaining solution. Remaining 15 liters are there. So 2.4 by 50 into 100. So if I cancel in terms of pi table, 3 and this is 20 times 1.8. So 0.8 into 2 is nothing but 16%. Okay, so you got some ideas, right? So the questions are based on from various sections like time and work, ratio, trigonometry, and allegations and mixtures. So you should be thorough with all the concepts to score a good marks in the upcoming May 2023 exam. So in order to guide you for the May MAT 2023 exam, we are going to conduct a 30 days preparation strategy, a free online webinar on April 16th, Sunday at 7 o'clock. So don't forget to join this webinar. And if you want to enroll for this webinar, you can enroll through the link provided in the description box. That means